Hey, how are you guys today? Hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for taking your time to come and check out this video. This is video number 2 of what I show you what's inside. Are you a baseball fan? Do you ever go to baseball games and try to catch a baseball out in the outfield? If you said yes to these questions, and you've always wanted to know what's inside a baseball, I'm about to show you. So this ball, as you can see, it's got some of the sticking off of it. This ball has been hit over a couple fences. It's been in the dirt. It's been actually left outside when it got left outside. It's been around a long time. This is a Rawlings official league hardball. I'm going to show you what is inside a baseball. Alright, so hang tight and I will show you the inside of the baseball. Alright, welcome back. So as you can see here, the lacing's already come off. Just so you're aware, this ball is not an official baseball from the major leagues. This is not. This is like your typical hardware store ball, dollar store maybe. You can get them at Canadian Tire. You can get them at Zellers, Best Buy, not Best Buy, Target, Walmart, Canadian Tire. And like I said, I've had this thing for a long time. It was starting to come apart, so it was gonna just go into the. It was just gonna go into the trash anyway. So why not check out what's inside? So the outside of it is strung together by the laces. The laces actually hold this together. I don't think this is a real leather. Like it feels like it's like a thin synthetic, but it is glued to this. So there we go. This is a baseball without the casing. So this looks like just random string. Looks like a string ball, but it's still hard. So we're gonna find out what's inside. Come back and I'll show you what's inside. And I'm gonna get through this and I'll show you. So this is the casing that it was in. Get this back inside. That's the casing. This is not an official Major League Baseball. For some reason it has that on it, but this was not from. I didn't get this at a Blue Jays game or nothing. I got this at like Dollarama or something. I can't remember. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Let me get this, and I'll show you. All right, welcome back. So, last time I saw you guys, I had taken the casing off. The casing was off. I did manage to get the glue stringy stuff off. And inside this, I found what's inside this baseball. And this is what it is. So I've already I split it in half, make it easier to look at, but all of the outside had the string attached to it. And this is, because this isn't authentic, this was like it's like a little league ball. It's made with a rubber and cork material. So as you can see, there's the inside. It's like basically like a poster board or a cork board. And then there is some rubber in here. Looks like dirt. But yeah. Yeah, the other end kind of split on me, but like I said, I got this a long time ago. It was falling apart, and it's not. This is not an authentic baseball. So, but this shows you what the inside looks like. So, from casing to sticky string to rubber and cork material. Alright everybody, well, I hope you liked this video. If you've watched this whole thing, I appreciate it. Please leave me a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to see more, leave me a comment. If I have something that you guys leave me a comment of and if we're not using it and we're going to toss it out anyway, definitely shoot me a comment. And if I can find it, if it's in like recycle center or whatever and it's not being used, I will gladly take it apart and show you what's inside. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night, and we'll see you in the next episode of What is Inside. Take care, guys.